बीनती राधा स्वामी आगे, दया करो दाता मेरे चित चरणन लागे। जन्म जन्म रही भूल में नहीं पाया भेदा, काल कर्म के जाल में रही भोगत खेदा। जगत जीव भर मत फिरे नित चारो खानी, ज्ञानी जोगी मिल रहे सब मन की घानी। भाग जगा मेरा आदिका मिले सदगुरु आई, राधा स्वामी धाम का मही भेद जनाई। ऊंचा से ऊंचा देश है वह अधर ठिकानी, बिना संत पावे नहीं शुद्ध शब्द निशानी। राधा स्वामी नाम की मही महिमा सुनाई, विरह अनुराग जगाय के घर पहुँचू भाई। साधु संग कर सार रस मैंने पिया बखाई, प्रेम लगा गुरु चरण में मन शांतन आई। घर पर उठे वे कल रहूं कैसे पिया घर जाई, दर्शन रस नित नित लहूं गहे मन धीरताई। सूरत चढ़े आकाश में कर शब्द विलासा, धाम धाम निरखत चले पावे निज घर वासा। ये आशा मेरे मन बसे रहे चित्त उदासा, बिना सुनो कृपा करो निज चरण निवासा। तुम बिना कोई समरथ नहीं जैसे मांगो दाना, प्रेम धार बरखा करो कुल अमृत खाना। दीन दयाल दया करो मेरे समरथ स्वामी, शुक्र करूँगा अवत रहूं नित राधा स्वामी। तुम बिना कोई समरथ नहीं जैसे मांगो दाना, प्रेम धार बरखा करो कुल अमृत खाना। दीन दयाल दया करो मेरे समरथ स्वामी, शुक्र करूँगा अवत रहूं नित राधा स्वामी। शुक्र करूँगा अवत रहूं नित राधा स्वामी। बार बार कर जोर कार सविनय करो पुकार, साधु संग मही देव नित परम गुरु दातार। कृपा सिंधु समरथ पुरुष आदि अनादि अपार, राधा स्वामी परम पितु मैं तुम सदा आधार। बार बार बर जाऊं तन मन और चरण पार, क्या मुखले मैं गाऊं मेहर करी जस कृपा करो। धन्य धन्य गुरुदेव दया सिंधु पुरन धनी, नित करो तुम सेवा अचल भक्ति मही देव प्रभु। दीनया दीनया नाथ हाथ हाथ मयान करो, अब राखो नित साथ। दीन दयाल कृपा निधि काम क्रोध मद लोभ, सब विधि अब गुण हार में प्रभु राखो मेरी लाज। तुम द्वारे अब मैं बड़ा राधा स्वामी गुरु समर्थ, तुम बिन और न दूसरा अब करो दया पर तगश। तुम द्वारे विलंब क्यों दया करो मेरे साइया, देहो प्रेम की दार दुख सुख कुछ व्यापी नहीं, छूटे सब उत्पाद दया करो मेरे साइया। देहो प्रेम की दार दुख सुख कुछ व्यापी नहीं, छूटे सब उत्पाद। बार बार कर जोर कार सविनय करो पुकार, साधु संग मही देव नित कर परम गुरु दातार साधु संग महि देवनित परम पिता गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरुदेव महेश्वर गुरुरेव परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः अखण्डमण्डलाकारं व्याप्तं येन चराचरं तत्पदं दर्शितं येन तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः अज्ञानोदयन्तस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मिलितं येन तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः स्थावरजङ्गमं व्याप्तं येन कृष्णं चराचरं तत्पदं दर्शितं येन तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः चिद्रूपेण परिव्याप्तं त्रैलोक्यं सचराचरं तत्पदं दर्शितं येन तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः न गुरुरधिकं तत्त्वं न गुरुरधिकं तव तत्त्वज्ञानात् परं नास्ति तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः मन्नाथो श्री जगन्नाथो मद्गुरु श्री जगद्गुरु मदात्मा सर्वभूतात्मा तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः गुरुरादिनाथीश्वर गुरु परमदैवतं गुरु परतरं नास्ति तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः ब्रह्मानन्दं परमशुभदं केवलं ज्ञानमूर्तिं गण्डातीतं गगनसदृशं दत्तमशादिलक्ष्यम् एकं नित्यं गगनमचलं सर्वधि शास्त्रीभूतं भावातीतं त्रिगुणरहितं सद्गुरुं त्वां नमामि सद्गुरुं त्वां नमामि सद्गुरुं त्वां नमामि।
Time to meditate. Please maintain silence.
Reading from the holy book Satyanusarana, written by Sri Sri Thakur Anukul Chandra. Forgive, but do not harm by indulging. Love, but be not addicted. Love deeply, but mix not too familiarly. Bubbling is not the sign of fullness. If you are content and free from the anxiety yourself, try for others. The more the mind is overwhelmed by being attached to the cause of grief, the more will fear enter within and weaken the heart. If you wish to be saved, have no fear, no weakness, be asserted, be absorbed in the enlivening thoughts and deeds. Addiction to evil begets fear, grief, and sorrow. Give up what is against existence. Have faith in Sadguru. You shall be saved. Be immersed in enlivening thoughts. Enlivening deeds will be your helpers. And your surroundings, being enlivened, shall surely always save you.
Jai Guru.
Sure.
Reading from Holy Book, Nari Niti, English translation. Purity, uncleanness. Remain pure, unclean. May your body and surroundings be kept always spick and span. May there be in them no dirtiness, bad odor or disorder. Put them in order, so that the moment they are seen, beauty and comfort may be felt. But do not make a fad or fetish of cleanness. You will see health and comfort will congratulate you. Among the depravities, impurity and uncleanness are not the least. Verse number 47.
परम प्रेम में श्री ठाकुर मुझे कोटि कोटि प्रणाम। प्रेम पूजनीय श्री बड़मंग कदम कोटि कोटि प्रणाम। प्रेम पूज्यपाद श्री बड़दांग श्री कोटि कोटि प्रणाम। आदरणीय प्रधानाचार्य श्री पूज्यपदांग श्री कोटि कोटि प्रणाम। Jai Guru all, and myself Deepak from Netherlands, and I got the opportunity to anchor this satsang today. And today is a big holy day. To start with, today is 111th Jan Tithi of Sri Sri Borda. And I think the persons who doesn't know who is Borda, for the new Dikshit or the new folks, is eldest son of Sri Sri Thakur Anukul Chandra. And the big thing is when Sri Sri Thakur Anukul Chandra left his earth, the holy body, then there is a big anxiety in the whole satsang world. Who will drive this satsang, and such a huge drive? Who will leading that? And that time, Sri Sri Borda take that in his hand, and he took it so smoothly. And Sri Sri Borda initiated lots of processes. Say, for example, after the prayer, we're doing meditations. We have Jai Radha Radhe, we have English Satyanusarana, so many things. So as we go in this today's journey for the satsang, I will share a few insights about Borda. And today is a holiday. So what's today? I think quite a few guys joined across the world from different countries to the satsang. And we have very nice bhajan, kirtan, and also jajan, and what is the experience with Thakur. So it's a completely lots of happening moments. We'll start in a few seconds. So with that note, just a word, Sri Sri Borda wrote a song, it's a very nice song, and that song name is Srikonthe Sobhiche Soda. I think, and we are lucky to get that Borda's handwritten song. I'm requesting to Saroj Mahantida from India to sing it for us and to this forum. Over to you, Saroj Mahantida.
Jai Guru. Jai Guru.
Jai Guru.
ये जो श्री श्री बड़दा के रचित जो श्रीकंठे शोभिचे सदा, इस गाने का खासियत ये है कि जैसे ठाकुर जी का नाम है श्री श्री ठाकुर अनुकूल चंद्र चक्रवर्ती, हर ठाकुर जी का नाम का हर अक्षर को लेके श्री श्री बड़दा ने लिखे हैं। तो ये गाना एक यूनिक सॉन्ग है। शायद संगीत जगत में ऐसा कोई गाना नहीं है जो बड़दा ने लिखे हैं किसी के नाम को लेके। श्री मतलब श्री श्री ठाकुर श्री पहला श्री में श्रीकंठे शोभिचे, सेकंड श्री में श्रीमुखे अमृत, फिर ठावरी प्रकाशे कुबलय विनिंद को, लाइक दिस ऐसे हो, मतलब पूरे गाने में इस तरह का वर्णन है। मैं इस गाने को गाने के लिए कोशिश कर रहा हूं। मेरे साथ खोल बजाएगा मेरा बेटा संदीप।
শ্রীকণ্ঠে শোভিছে সদা স্বস্তি বাণী শ্রীমুখে অমৃত ঝরে নাশে মৃত্যু ভয়। শ্রীকণ্ঠে শোভিছে সদা স্বস্তি বাণী শ্রীমুখে অমৃত ঝরে নাশে মৃত্যু ভরি প্রকাশে রূপ হেন সাধ্য কুবলয় বিনিন্দ নয়ন হরি প্রকাশে রূপ হেন সাধ্য কুবলয় বীরেন্দ্র নয়ন তাহা রস ঘন রূপে তার ভুবন মজুছে, রস ঘন রূপে তার ভুবন মজুছে অরুণিত কর তর অভয় দানিছে নুয়াইছে কত শত ভক্ত চরণে নুয়াইছে কত শত ভক্ত চরণে কুটস্থিত মনে তারে ভজিছে যতনে লক্ষ লক্ষ নর নারী আহা মরি রে আহা মরি রে আহা মরি রে লক্ষ লক্ষ নর নারী তাহার শ্রিত চরণ যুগল তাহার সর্বত্র পূজিত নয়ন দেখিলে তাহা ভোলা নাহি যায় 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 দ্রবীভূত সুধা যেন ঝরিছে ধরা দ্রবীভূত সুধা যেন ঝরিছে ধরা চকিতে হৃদয় গলে সেই রূপ হেরিলে চকিতে হৃদয় গলে সেই রূপ হেরিলে ক্রমে ভাব মহাভাব হৃদয় সপিলে বক্ষ ভরিয়া ওঠে আনন্দ লহরে রহি রহি কাঁপে অঙ্গ কভু না শিহরে বক্ষ ভরিয়া ওঠে আনন্দ লহরে রহি রহি কাঁপে অঙ্গ কভু না শিহরে তীর্থ মহাতীর্থ সে যে ভব পারাবারে তীর্থ মহাতীর্থ সে যে ভব পারাবারে প্রণমে প্রণমে প্রভু প্রণমি তোমারে।
Jai Guru.
জয় গুরু।
Yeah, actually, I didn't realize that it's completed. I was thinking to listen some more time. It is so magical, and I feel like I'm hearing some radio. It's so it's such a nice voice, and nicely you sang it. So in that way, I'm just I don't know if it is feasible. I think it would be great if you mind singing some Hindi song or something like that. If you can do right now, that's great. Otherwise, after some time also,
मैं
let's yeah.
थोड़ी देर बाद में कर सकता हूँ, क्योंकि दिल्ली से मेरे को अभी फोन आ रहा है कंटिन्यूअस।
Sure, no
मैंने
problem.
मेरे दादा को बोला भी था कि दिल्ली में मेरे को ज्वाइन करना है।
Yeah, no problem. I think
मैं वहां करके फिर ज्वाइन करता हूँ। हाँ,
sure, sir. We'll wait for that. And thanks a lot again for offering the version. And yeah, we'll pray to Thakur to bless you and your family. And also nice your son also supported with the music. So yeah, we'll wait. Thanks and Jai Guru.
जय गुरु।
Okay, so I think few more insights about Borda. Sometime back when Thakur asked a question when he was sitting with all the satsangis and bhakt. So he just asked the Satyanusaran. So it is made for whom? So that was the question Thakur asked. And so whoever in the audience, they used to say many things. This is for country, this is for society, this is for XYZ, and they say many things. Okay, but Borda is the only person who told Thakurji, this satsang, Satyanusaran is for me. It is for nobody, but it is for me. So whatever it is written, it's for me. So that's a beauty, and that's really gives a nice insight that when we do all these, any line we read from Satyanusaran, Nariniti, or Chalar Sati, whatever. So the message is it's for me. So it's not for others. So that's very nicely, Borda shared that ideology to all of us. So that is one more thing. And there is a nice line in Satyanusaran that we have total 4 types of human being in the world. So the first line of human beings who speaks less and do more, and second who speaks and do same, speaks and do also. Third, who speaks a lot but does very less, and fourth, the person who only listens and doesn't do anything. So these are the 4 types it's mentioned in Satyanusaran, and Borda was indeed the first level of the human being who speaks very less but walks a lot or does a lot. So with that note, let's move forward. Now we request, let's go to from India to let's travel to Germany. So we have Gopal Santada from Germany who will sing a nice version for us, and that's Ghor Maya Jal More. So over to you, Gopal da.
Right. ঘোর মায়া জাল মোরে বেঁধেছে কঠিন ডোরে, কে বাঁচাবে আমার জীবন? ঘোর মায়া জাল মোরে বেঁধেছে কঠিন ডোরে, কে বাঁচাবে আমার জীবন? ফুরায়ে গেল যে দিন আয়ু হয়ে লক্ষীন, ফুরায়ে গেল যে দিন আয়ু হয়ে লক্ষীন, হলো না তো সাধন পূজন, কে বাঁচাবে আমার জীবন? ঘোর মায়া জাল মোরে বেঁধেছে কঠিন ডোরে, কে বাঁচাবে আমার জীবন? ও দয়াল জগত স্বামী শরণ মাগি হে আমি, ও দয়াল জগত স্বামী শরণ মাগি হে আমি, ঠাই দাও প্রভু নারায়ণ। চরণে রাখিয়া মোরে থাকিয়া হৃদয় ভরে, চরণে রাখিয়া মোরে থাকিয়া হৃদয় ভরে, পার করো পতিত পাবন, কে বাঁচাবে আমার জীবন, ঘোর মায়া জাল মোরে বেঁধেছে কঠিন ডোরে, কে বাঁচাবে আমার জীবন। সংসার সাগরে পড়ি ডোবে মোর জীবন তরি, সংসার সাগরে পড়ি ডোবে মোর জীবন তরি, ধরো হাত বিপদ তারণ, তুমি বিনা কে বা পারে রাখিতে বিপথে মোরে, তুমি বিনা কে বা পারে রাখিতে বিপথে মোরে, করুণাথ করো নিস্তারণ, কে বাঁচাবে আমার জীবন, ঘোর মায়া জাল মোরে বেঁধেছে কঠিন ডোরে, কে বাঁচাবে আমার জীবন। ফুরায় গেল যে দিন আয়ু হয়ে লক্ষীন, ফুরায় গেল যে দিন আয়ু হয়ে লক্ষীন, হলো না তো সাধন পূজন, কে বাঁচাবে আমার জীবন, ঘোর মায়া জাল মোরে বেঁধেছে কঠিন ডোরে, কে বাঁচাবে আমার জীবন, কে বাঁচাবে আমার জীবন, কে বাঁচাবে আমার জীবন। জয় গুরু।
Jai Guru Gopalda.
জয়।
It sounds like somebody singing next to my door from the next room. So it is so easy, cool. I was just wondering, there is no music, no big things, but very so soothing voice. Just somebody is singing near to me. Thanks for singing a nice. It really gives lots of feelings. So I can see that, and thanks a lot for offering. And may God and Thakur bless you. So thanks again. So I think I would like to share a few more things about Borda. What I read is Borda used to sleep only 3 to 4 hours a day. So you heard it right, 3 to 4 hours a day. And he used to get off in 2:30 a.m. Midnight, 2:30. That's and he used to do lots of Nam meditation till morning. So it looks a little bit very impossible event, but that was Borda. And Thakur used to call Borda is Boda Khoka. And always Thakur used to say, if you see a coin, so Borda and me are two sides of the coin. So that shows how Thakur plays Borda. And it really a big inspirations for us. At least we can try. At least I am also trying my best to do some at least half an hour, 45 minutes meditation in the morning, trying to get up early in the morning when I heard about this kind of real, which are not stories but reality. So that's the motivation from Borda. So let's move to one more country. That's country name is UK, and we have Rajashrida and Sarmistama. So they will offer a kirtan. So let's move to UK and Rajasiddha. Over to you.
Jai Guru.
Jai Guru.
Jai Guru Deepak Bhai and everyone here. Today I'll try to offer an Oriya Kirtan. Jai Guru. Hari Namo Prema Sudha Prano Bhori Karo Prano 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 Bhava Jala Jiva Dure Bhava Jala Jiva Dure Bhava Jala Jiva Dure Bhava Jala Jiva Dure Kiyananda Pranarama Hari Namo Prema Sudha Prano Bhori Karo Prano Hari Namo Prema Sudha Prano Bhori Karo Prano Name Bhakti Name Shakti Name Sukha Name Santi 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 Chitta Nityananda Maya Chitta Nityananda Maya Chitta Nityananda Maya Chitta Nityananda Maya Kanthe Gana Hriday Bhano Chitta Nityananda Maya 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 Kanthe Gana Hriday Dhano Hari Namo Prema Sudha Prano Bhori Karo Prano Hari Namo Prema Sudha Prano Bhori Karo Prano Hari Name Prema Sudha Prano Bhori Karo Prano Hari Name Prema Sudha Prano Bhori Karo Prano Papo Tapo Varad Badhi Bhayo Namo Nale Heva Khayo Papo Tapo Badhi Bhayo Namo Nale Heva Khayo Papo Tapo Badhi Bhayo Namo Nale Heva Khayo Papo Tapo Badhi Bhayo Namo Nale Heva Khayo Brahmananda Sudha Dhara Brahmananda Sudha Dhara Brahmananda Sudha Dhara Brahmananda Sudha Dhara Mano Madhu Vrindavano Hari Namo Prema Sudha Prano Bhori Karo Prano 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 Name Mano Nore Joro Netri Bahe Priti Niro Name Mano Nore Joro Netri Bahe Priti Niro Namo Mane Nore Joro नेत्री बहे पितृ नीड़ो नामे नारे जोड़ो नेत्री बहे पितृ नीड़ो निशि दिवसरे बाजे निशि दिवसरे बाजे निशि दिवसरे बाजे निशि दिवसरे बाजे प्रभु रंग रंग সাজে হরি নাম প্রেম সুধা প্রাণ ভরি করো প্রাণ হরি নাম প্রেম সুধা প্রাণ হরি করো প্রাণ হরি নাম প্রেম সুধা প্রাণ হরি করো প্রাণ হরি নাম প্রেম সুধা প্রাণ ভরি করো প্রাণ হৃদয় মন্দিরে বিজে হৃদয় মন্দিরে বিজে হৃদয় মন্দিরে বিজে হৃদয় মন্দিরে বিজে নিজে লক্ষ্মী নারায়ণ হরি নাম প্রেম সুধা প্রাণ ভরি করো প্রাণ 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 অন্তর মন্দিরে বিজে 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 বিজে লক্ষ্মী নারায়ণ হরি নাম প্রেম সুধা প্রাণ ভরি করো প্রাণ 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 জয় গুরু
Jai Guru. It's so nice, especially with all these musics around. It creates a nice vibe. So thanks a lot again, Rasida and Samistama, for offering this bhajan. It's really nice. Thank you. Let's move ahead. Would like to share one more event from Bardha's life. That once what happened, there's a mug with which Bardha used to take bath, and that mug has some little scratch. So one Guru Bhai who used to stay near Bardha, so he thinks, okay, Bardha should always take bath with a new mug, because he's not feeling comfortable with that. And what he did is he just went to dispose that old mug with a little scratch and brought a new one. So next day when Bardha saw the new mug, so he literally got very angry on that guy, and the Guru Bhai, and really kind of very angrily mentioned, we should not waste Thakur's money. It's because who told you to change this old mug? I can still use that, right? It's not that I can't use it. So there's no need to go for a new one. So so the idea is Bardha gives a message that, okay, you spend how much is needed. Don't spend unnecessary, or don't spend extra which is not needed. So that's a nice message. And so also message to us, we spend a lot in different ways, which lots of unnecessary thing or waste. So you have to take a check sometimes. Okay, are we spending rightly, or we are spending unnecessary? So that is the message, and that also says what kind of personality Bardha got. So with that, let's hear a little bit more. Let's go to one more country from UK, that is starting in the same first letter U that goes to USA. So let's go to USA, and I request Sarojini Ma to add few more insights about her journey with connecting with Thakur. So over to you, Sarojini Ma.
Joy Guru to all. I offer my humble pranam to Sri Sri Thakur, Sri Sri Bodama, Pujapad Borda, Pradhan Acharya Dev Sri Sri Dada, Pujanyo Babaida, and Pujanyo Obinda. At the outset, I would like to ask for my forgiveness from you all, because I'm not a speaker, but I'll try to speak a few lines from my experience. So we are from Odisha. My Baba was mostly in Bhubaneswar, and when he took Satnam in year 1971, he was suffering from a really bad, incurable occipital headache at that time, and also to add to his problem, he was a chain smoker. So as soon as he took Satnam, somehow this occipital headache vanished, and he stopped smoking in a day. Nowadays, we talk about the smoking problem all over, and we try to do so many things. But in my family, with my Baba, taking Satnam cured it in one day. So coming to myself, I got Satnam at age 13, and from our family Ritik, Pujapad Sri Sitakantoda. Of course, he has passed away now, but and then our whole family got initiated from him. And life went on. We joined lots of satsangs, and our Baba being a big devotee, and he later on got the Satprati Ritik Panja. We used to host people like Tonuda, Sri Nikhil Ghatok, Prabhat Prabhat Chakraborty, who used to sing Chodar Gan for Thakur. He was the first one who used to present Chodar Gan in all these big conferences. So I did not understand Sri Sri Thakur too much at that time, because I was sheltered in my parents' house, and they protected me from all the problems of the life. Then I moved on. I got into Cuttack Medical School, and the problem appeared at that time was that I did not eat onion garlic, and of course not any other non-vegetarian stuff. So how do I eat in the mess? The mess is something, we used to stay in hostel where, here they call it dorm, and we used to eat in the mess. So by Thakur's mercy, we found someone there were two messes. One was a big one who was serving like thousands of girls in a girls' hostel. There was a very small one who used to have a small place and serve a few people. And by Thakur's mercy, he readily agreed to cook dal, rice, and one sabji for me every day. So that 4.5 years of MBBS I ate the same dal, sabji, and rice every day. But it never felt bad by Thakur's mercy that, that I'm eating the same thing every day. It never occurred to me. And so years passed by like that. And I also had the good fortune of helping a couple of Guru Bhais who Pujapad Dada had said that ওখানে শ্রাবণী আছে, শ্রাবণী মাকে বলবি ও জোগাড় করে দেবে. And it was such a joyful time of my life to be able to do just a little bit in my way to Thakur, for Thakur's disciples. Moving on, you know, we really do not realize in our life sometimes like what we have gotten. The 5 things, Jajan, Jajon, Ishtabruti, Sostoini, and Sadachar, those 5 weapons we got are such strong weapons we have that we can, it can help in every aspect of our life. Life is complex nowadays. We have too many things to tackle. We have too many aspects of life always looking at us. Why didn't you do that? Why didn't you do that? But by doing Jajan, Jajan, Ishtabruti, you can prioritize the things which you are supposed to tackle first and then go from there. So I'm coming to today's youth. You know, the problem we see all over country and all over in world about the youth going through a lot of mental health issues, anxiety, depression, or even not able to think what to do, how to progress in life in a balanced way. So by doing Jajan, Jajan, Ishtabruti, that gives you so much mental strength, relieves your anxiety, and that is big. It's just, we just don't know how much of that, how much help we get from that. And talking about this Jajan, Jajan, Ishtabruti again, it gives you such a mind-body coordination that you can progress in your life the way you are supposed to. And also it gives you the mental strength to go forward in a proper way, you know, because we all have complexes that guide us in a lot of different ways. And by doing Jajan, Jajan, Ishtabruti and Nam Dhyan, we can actually guide our complexes. I will finish my little discussion by talking about Sri Borda. The way Deepak Da was saying, Sri Borda's small anecdotes. Like Borda was waking up like 2:30 a.m. in the morning all days to do meditation. So one time he was awake and doing meditation, but he heard a lot of noises outside. So later on in the morning, he called the person who was making some noise outside. So the person came and said, Borda, I woke up early in the morning and I did not know that I did not have a clock to know what time it was. And so I was taking shower outside. So Borda was angry and he said, even if you did not know what time it was, you still saw a lot of people were asleep and resting at that time. Why were you making that noise? So seeing all these people still resting and sleeping. So that tells you how, even if a very small thing was never outside of his vision, you know, he always told us to keep our eyes open towards our surrounding, towards the people, towards our family, and towards our whole environment. So we can all strive to do a little bit of that. Joy Guru.
Jai Guru Savanima. Good
Jai
to
Guru.
see you. Good to see you after a long time.
Joy Guru Dada.
Thank you for sharing your valuable personal experience. And for all remaining people in Europe, I know Shravanima for a long time. I was in Houston. She's from Houston. She's a medical doctor. And especially your experience about eating in the hostel days. That's exactly my daughter is also going through.
Oh my goodness.
But like loving Thakur, food becomes secondary. So,
exactly.
back to Deepak Da. Deepak Da,
You are on mute.
Oh, sorry. Yeah, Jai Guru Savanima. Yeah, I was just thinking to ask the same question about eating the same food, dal and roti and chawal throughout the 4 years. So still you don't feel how to say, bore of that or to think some change. So that shows the way you are connected with Thakur, and that's really nice. And also thanks for sharing many insights, because all these words and experience encourage us and also bring more, feeling devotion towards Thakur, and also sharing about Bordas, how he is very caring about the surrounding, and that's also very nice lesson. I think I also take a few lines from that for me as well. So thanks for sharing again, and I hope Thakur's blessings will continue as is going. So thanks, Jai Guru. Let's move from USA to one more country, then back to India. And what's next? We'll continue with Jajan, and let's hear one more insights about connecting with Thakur and how it impacts our life, and what are the things inspired. So let's requesting Bedbanida from India to offer a Jajan to this forum.
Jai Guru. It's loud and clear.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, fine. Trinadapi sunicheno taroripu saisnuna amanyo manaveno kirtaniyo sadahari. परम प्रेमाय श्री ठाकुर जी के रांगा रातुल चरण में मेरा कोटि कटी नमन। बरदा बड़मा पूजनीय बरदादा बाबाईदा के चरण में मेरा कोटि कोटि नमन। All the present devotees, my dear brothers and sisters, I never speak or give any jajan in English. I don't know whether I come to conclusion or not. Still, I will try, and I don't know what happened. If I miss any word, I can conclude that word in Bengali or Hindi. Right, Deepak Da?
No, it was talk to your heart.
Okay, it's fine. At the end of the day, what I mean to say that is, when I am born 1967, I am not on that very sense who can realize Sisi Thakur Anukul Chandra, but my name was given by him. And a principal of Binapani Vidya Mandir School, Seva ma'am, asked Sisi Thakur Anukul Chandra, that name seems to be a girl's child. Sisi Thakur asked Prafulloda and Kestoda, go and see the dictionary, that very name Bedbani is a child of girl's name or boy's name. After seeing that, it found that that name is a boy child also. And the journey began. From there, my little younger brother, Anish Kumar Ganguly, is there in our satsang also. When I am 4 years old, he was only 3. And my grandma put together in a chadar, take us from Puranda, a village which is far 3 kilometers from ashrams. And from there we went to Bordabari. And after that we come walking with Sissy Borda to ashram. And that scenario goes 17 years when I become a student of Madhyamik and passed. So you people can understand how my life was there in that very ashram. Ram Kingarda well known me as because he found me Deogar several times in front of Babaida. We people are class friends, basically. So when that thing is going on, a lot of stories are there which I cannot complete. I don't know my time is. Dipokda, if you can tell me what is my time is, my time bound and my time limit.
I can only guess.
It's 20 minutes. I think it's 20 minutes. It's enough for you people because lots of work are there.
दादा 20-25 मिनट आराम से बोलिए, हिंदी, बांग्ला, अंग्रेजी जो भी मन में आए बोलिए, भाव अपने हिसाब से बोलिए। जी दादा।
ठीक है। And thereafter I will told you people 3 stories, one from Sissy Thakur, another from Sissy Borda, and latest one from Babaida. एक दिन की बात है, सिस्सी ठाकुर मातृ मंदिर के बाहर बैठी हुए हैं। सिस्सी ठाकुर मातृ मंदिर के बाहर बैठा हुआ है। ए ओल्ड डिवोटीज ऑफ सिस्सी ठाकुर अनुकूल चंद्र है, एंड हिज नेम इज अवनीदा, Avani Mohan Goswami. He rode the bike very fast, and he come in front of Sissy Thakur, shock the brake is there, and he stopped there his bike and come in front of Thakur by rolling his stick. Sissy Thakur loved him very well. He called him by loving name of Fatna. He asked Fatna, I see, I, Bo. Came seated. He sat there. Sissy Thakur asked him, Gadi zore salabar parish. You can run the fast bike. Yes, sir. Yes, my lord, I can. But when it can stop, you can. Now his face is come little bit down. चमक गए। ब्रेक तो तुम करते हो, ब्रेक करने के टाइम रोक सकते हो, you can steal there. उनको थोड़ा शर्म लगा, shame, down his face. ठाकुर जी इधर उधर देखने लगा. After some time, again he asked, Hey Fatna, I give you a stick which head was molded by a golden. What happens of that? I give you a stick which head was molded by a gold. What happened of that? Thakur, it is there. But where is the gold? He said, Thakur, Bangladeshi था वो, टहर दरकार था, टहर बासे खाए दिसे. Need some money. I sold that. जीने के लिए पैसा का जरूरत था, बेच दिया, खा लिया. शाला पागल बासे खाए दिसे. Quite. You people can say the meaning of what shala. Maybe you can people said it's an abuse language, but not. In the dictionary of Sissy Thakur or Nukul Chandra, shala mean asray, that who can give shelter. খায় ফেললি নে, কবার পেলি নে আমায় একবার, শালা বাসে খায় দিছে, হ্যাঁ বাসে খায় দিছে, আমাক কবি যখন পয়সার দরকার হবে আমাক কবি, টেল মি when you need money, अरे फातना, वो जो स्टिक मैंने तेरे को दिया था उसके अंदर और कुछ था, अब फेंकना थोड़ा चौड़ा हो गया ना ठाकुर, there is nothing, only there is a gold in the head of that very stick, nothing was there. Sisi Thakur said, what? Only gold is there, nothing you can find on that very stick. Yes, Thakur, nothing was there, only there is a gold in the head of that very stick. Thakur said, Fatna, you cannot find my mamta, my sneha, my love on that very gold. Fatna felt ashamed again. All very people looking me is a goons basically. Yes, tall figure, hatta khatta and all. তুমি যে সুরের আগুন লাগিয়ে দিলে মোর প্রাণে, সে আগুন ছড়িয়ে গেল, সে আগুন ছড়িয়ে গেল সবখানে, সবখানে তুমি যে সুরের আগুন লাগিয়ে দিলে মোর প্রাণে. That is my Lord. You don't ask anything about it. Once you people know very well Michael of USA. He said, Thakur, give me 2 words by which I can go to USA and still there. I can say, feel my whole life there. I can spend my whole life there with peace. Thakur give him 2 words. Be concentric. Michael asked him, be concentric to whom? He again said, Sisi Thakur Anukul Chandra, if I became the big concentric of a Ford Richard Henry of USA, then Sisi Thakur said him, you will become another Henry Ford of USA. But if you put your chanting name, if you put that very name again and again, you will become Jesus Christ and you will give peace and mind will give you the all very anand. It is very easy. We people are basically playing with our gods, rishis and munis by their words. We are never giving that very words in our character. That is the problem in the world today now. Jajan, Ishtubiti, Sastani, Sadachar, bahut lots of words are there we are speaking. But never gives a single word in our character. Because if we take in it our character, if we think that Sisi Thakur Anukul Chandra is sitting in front of me in that very satsang, our way of speaking, our way of living, our way of saving will be changed. So basically, you stay in that very asan, you stay in that very singhasan, and we people are very good with our complexes. So if we change ourselves, our complexes will change. Thakur bola, very good. Go, become a human being. Sadi karo, marriage karo, live your life and become a Grihi Sannasi. What that very word mean? Grihi Sannasi. Do all word, live with all your complex. But leave all these things, include me. जब हम खाना, सोना, पहना, बैठना, उठना, बैठना सब कुछ ठाकुर जी के साथ करेंगे तो हम इष्टमय हो जाएंगे. Second one is Sisi Borda. If I said my life with Borda, it will take another Bhagavad Gita and become another 18 adhyaya of that. So I am not going through that very chapter. One single story I will tell you. once it's 8:15 morning, you people know on that very time, holy name will be chanted there, and वो गुरु ग्रंथ साहिब जी पाठ होता है. On that very time he came. At that very time bed was there. He sit in the bed on that very time, and it will be decided at the cold of the time. It is very difficult to sit there. One charpai will be placed there, and bed will be placed on that. So he came. When he go to sit on that very bed, he found that his bed is more upper than parlor bed of Sri Sri Thakur Anukul Chandra. Can you people realize when you go to a satsang and get a chair, how we people feel and what Sisi Varda feel? I always said in my Jajan 3 words. One is Nastik, one is Astik, and one is Bhakt. I may be Nastik because I may not be love my God, or I don't relation in it. I may be Astik because I love God, I have relation. But it is very difficult to become a Bhakt, which Mira was there, which Sudama was there, which Prahlad was there. Sisi Varda was a Bhakt. And realize and believe me, इतना क्लोज से मैंने उनको देखा है, इतना क्लोज से मैंने उनका एक एक चीज को रियलाइज किया है. He is Perito Purush. And the last one, and I will finish my pravachan of today. Very in last few 7, 8 days, 10 days, my brothers, but my elder brother Samuel Kumar Ganglida is also present in your meeting today, satsang. My little brother was there. In 8-10 years, I was see a very bad sin with my naked eyes, which will not be seen by me. जो मुझे देखना नहीं चाहिए था. It is in case of my own relation, so I have gone there, and after seeing that very scene, I gone the hospital, take him in the hospital. All hospitalization work after finishing, I came home at 2 p.m. and then I collapsed totally. Totally I collapsed. I am a not patient of sugar or BP, and I don't know, I collapsed. I give a call my elder brother to S.K. Ganglida, present in your satsang. He called me. He tell me, I'm sending my son with car, you come my home. I called to Lucknow, another brother was there. He also told me, I'm coming. But I don't know, somehow this news was reached to Babaida. I don't know how it is. He called me at the time of 7 p.m. And you people realize I'm telling you one line of 6 lines. He told me, खाना खाया? मैंने बोला नहीं. You have taken your food? I said no. सुबह नाम किया था? In the morning you chanting the holy names? I said no. I wake up 4 o'clock and gone there. And I'm crying like a child in front of him. Though it's another things as we people are classmates and जिसको कहते हैं बाल्य बंधु. Though I am his sakha, it's my जिंदगी का मेरा बहुत बड़ा इस जन्म का पुण्य किया हूं कि मैं उनका दोस्त बन पाया. Go, take your food chanting the holy name. And I'm telling you, today I am sleeping with you whole night. I am again crying like a child. I don't know what I say. Again, he said, Papa is well. Wait, lot of Thakur work pending there. I will tell you what to do. And you people never believe. A current will flow in my body. After a few seconds, I go and walk a few minutes in my terrace, come back, change my bed sheet, sit, I sleep another side of my bed. And next morning, I am fit and fine. Seje trishito noyone, chahe mor prane, kemone firabo tare. Seje trishito noyone, chahe mor prane, kemone firabo tare. Kemon kore bhulibo re. ওই আখির মোহে ভুলালো রে কেমন করে ভুলিব I don't know what I said today. By what I said, it's all is my core of my heart. I don't know. Please forgive me if I do wrong anywhere. Jai Guru. And I am again saying in the lotus feet of Sri Thakur and Nukul Chandra for you people's long life and Ishtomay Jivan. Jai Guru. Jai Guru.
Jai Guru Dada. Jai Guru.
Jai Guru. Pedmanida, I am actually speechless because it's a unique way of sharing. It's so touchy. I don't have any words to share. Probably I will go to the Guru Bhais, an audience who joined this. Maybe I would like to really hear from one or two Guru Bhais how they feel about this. Maybe it's open. Anybody want to say a few lines?
Deepakda, like you, I am also speechless. Okay.
Okay, I think that
We
line.
just realize what we have got in our life, and hearing such experience, it just strengthens our connection to Sri Thakur and Acharya Thakur family. Jai Guru.
Jai Guru. Yeah, that line itself. And I'm really very lucky to witness this Jajan. And I remember in my school time, we have one headmaster who used he's very loving personality, and when he speaks to all the students like mesmerized and hearing all the things. So I just rephrase that memory with you, the way you share the things. I feel like I'm living that moment again. So yeah, again, tons of thanks for sharing this, and blessings of Thakur is already with you. So yeah, we also get some blessings. Thank you again. Jai. Moving ahead, then let's go from India back to Netherlands, and we'll go to Arnhem city, where we have Radhabai Sudhutima Asisda Kalanima. So let's hear a nice kirtan, the last one of the satsang. So over to you, Arnhem.
Jai Guru. Jai Guru. Jai Guru. Is Saroj Bhantida back in the satsang?
Actually, I checked. I texted him, so maybe I will contact him. Maybe after satsang we can listen.
Okay. We'll offer a kirtan on this holy day at the lotus feet of Shri Thakur on this holy day of 111 Janma Tithi of Param Pujyapat Shri Bordha. कैमरा तुमको रिवर्स करना पड़ेगा खड़ा होके कर ओ गो প্রাণের ঠাকুর নমো নমো গো দয়াল প্রাণের ঠাকুর নমো নমো সকল ব্যথা করিলে দূর
वंदे पुरुषोत्तमं
वन्दे पुरुषोत्तमम्
वंदे पुरुषोत्तमं
वन्दे
पुरुषोत्तमं वंदे पुरुषोत्तमं
वन्दे पुरुषोत्तमम्
परम प्रेम श्री ठाकुर अनुकूल चंद्र जी की
जय
परम प्रेम श्री ठाकुर अनुकूल चंद्र जी की
जय
परम प्रेम श्री ठाकुर अनुकूल चंद्र जी की
जय
आराध्या जगत जोनी श्री वर्मा की
जय
आराध्या जगत जोनी श्री वर्मा की
जय
आराध्या जगत जोनी श्री वर्मा की
जय
परम पूज्य पादो श्री वर्धा की
जय
परम पूज्य पादो श्री वर्धा की
जय
परम पूज्य पादो श्री वर्धा की
जय
परम पूज्य पादो आचार्य देव श्री दादा की
जय
परम पूज्य पादो आचार्य देव श्री दादा की
जय
परम पूज्य पादो आचार्य देव श्री दादा की
जय
संघों की
जय
संघों की
जय
संघों की
जय
वंदे पुरुषोत्तमं
वन्दे पुरुषोत्तमम्
वंदे आर्य पितृं
वन्दे आर्यपितृम्
वंदे मार्तिवर्गन्
वन्दे मातृवर्गान्
वंदे अहं किष्टि दैवतम्
वन्दे अहं कृष्णदैवतम्
वंदे पुरुषोत्तमं
वन्दे पुरुषोत्तमम्
वंदे पुरुषोत्तमं
वन्दे पुरुषोत्तमम्
वंदे पुरुषोत्तमं
वन्दे पुरुषोत्तमम्
परम प्रेम श्री ठाकुर अनुकूल चंद्र जी की
जय